Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is our fifth tutorial of Power BI. I hope you guys enjoying this Power BI series. In previous class, we have just discussed merge query and append query. But I have missed the practical of append query. So no worry guys, we will discuss append query practical in today's class. And after that, we will discuss more feature about Power Query Editor. So let's get started. So I have taken sales data here with same data type and same column. Now we will append these two tables. So go to append again. So if you want to display the data in same table, then you can select append queries. Else you can select append queries as new. So I'll go with append query as new. So once you click it, new window got open. Now you can select second table here. If you want to select more than two table, then you need to click this option and it will give you the option to add more than two tables. So this time we have just only two tables, so I'll select this one. Now once I click it OK, now you guys can see our data has appended, which means table 1 has 9 rows and table 2 has 10 rows. Now you guys can see appended into one table. So in this way we can append the tables. Now we will learn how to pivot or unpivot columns, which means transpose the rows and columns. Excel user will definitely know about it, transpose. So firstly I'll upload one Excel file here. Go to get data and click Excel workbook. And I have to select this file guys, which is sales 2017. So file has uploaded. So now you guys can see we have a list of columns. And if you guys observed, we have a blank row, which is first row. And the second is headers, which is region, state, city, months. So we need to remove just first row. And the second thing, we have to convert this second row into the headers. So firstly, I have to remove this first row. Go to the home tab. And here is the option guys, which is remove rows. So we have to click on remove rows. Then we have to click remove top row. So once you click it, now new box has pop up. And now it's asking number of rows. So in this scenario, we have to remove first row only. So I'll just click 1 and after that click OK. Now you guys can see the first row has removed. And our second requirement is we have to convert first row as a header. So what I'll do, I'll just simply click this option, which is use first row as a header. So once you click it, now you guys can see our first row converted into headers, which is region, state, city and month. So in this way we can remove rows and use first row as a header. Now we come to the point which is pivot and unpivot. So basically we have a 3 column, which is region, state, city, and the other columns are month, which is Jan to December, like Jan, Feb till December. So here is the requirement guys. I want all month and sales convert into one column. So for this we will use pivot or unpivot. So I'll show you how to do this. So you guys need to select these 3 columns with the help of control. The first one is region, press control, state, city. Once you selected these 3 columns, you need to click right click. There is an option guys, unpivot columns and unpivot other columns. So in this case, I will select unpivot other columns. Once I click it, then you guys can see all columns convert month and their values, which is sales, get separated into different columns. So simply we can rename these 2 columns. How do we rename? Just simply double click on this value and rename this, which is months. And in similar way, you just double click to this value and you can write sales. So in this way we can unpivot the columns. Now we will learn pivot table. Pivot table is just simply reverse of unpivot. For pivoting the column, I will simply select these 2 columns with the help of control. The first one is month and the second one is sales. Now go to Transform tab, and here is the option guys, which is Pivot Column. So once you click it, then again new box has pop up. Now you need to click OK. You guys can see the data has changed, and these two columns separated into different columns. So in today's class, we have just learned pivot or unpivoting. And whatever changes we have made in Power Query Editor, that all are comes in the data cleansing part. So firstly, we have to cleanse our data before upload into the Power BI desktop. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this session, and for more learning, stay tuned with us and kindly subscribe this channel and share with your friends who really want to learn Power BI from the scratch. Thank you so much guys.